Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Elta Md Uv Sport is probably one of the most essential items in any skincare routine, especially for those who lead an active lifestyle or spend a significant amount of time outdoors, offering robust protection against the damaging effects of the sun's rays. This high-performance sunscreen is formulated to provide broad-spectrum defense, shielding your skin from both UVA and UVB radiation, which are known culprits behind premature aging, sunburn, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Its advanced formula is designed to be water-resistant, ensuring that your protection stays put even during intense physical activity or when exposed to moisture, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. Number 5. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Introducing Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen. It's a clear, invisible face sunscreen that provides broad-spectrum SPF 40 protection without any greasy residue. This weightless formula doubles as a makeup gripping primer. It creates a smooth canvas, ensuring your makeup stays put all day long. Enjoy a truly weightless and scentless experience. It's designed to feel like nothing on your skin, making daily application a pleasure. Formulated for all skin types and tones, this oil-free sunscreen is gentle yet effective. It's perfect for everyone looking for daily sun defense. This compact 0.5 fluid ounces size makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Make it your essential step for protected, beautiful-looking skin every day. What we like. This sunscreen offers a completely invisible finish, making it perfect for everyday wear. Its makeup-gripping primer properties ensure your foundation stays put all day. If you're looking for a seamless base under makeup and a weightless feel, this is the one for you. What people say. This sunscreen is great for sports because it is water-resistant and sweat-resistant. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection, which is excellent for preventing sunburn. The formula is lightweight and doesn't feel greasy on the skin, making it comfortable for extended wear during outdoor activities. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk SPF 60. Introducing our advanced sun protection formula. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 60 to shield your skin from harmful rays. This versatile sunscreen is perfect for both your face and body. Enjoy comfortable, all-over protection. Experience its incredibly lightweight texture. It absorbs quickly into your skin without any greasy residue. Beyond sun protection, it's enriched with antioxidants. These help to further defend your skin. Formulated to be oil-free and oxybenzone-free. It's a gentle yet effective choice for your daily sun care routine. What we like. With SPF 60 and added antioxidants, this sunscreen provides robust protection against sun damage. It's oil-free and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. If you need powerful, fast-absorbing sun protection for both face and body, especially during active outdoor pursuits, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This sunscreen is great for sports and outdoor activities. It is water-resistant and sweat-resistant, so it stays on even when you are sweating. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection against harmful UV rays. Number 3. Elta Md Uv Restore Tinted Sunscreen. Introducing Elta Md Uv Restore Tinted Sunscreen, your daily defense against sun damage. This formula is designed to protect and restore your skin's youthful appearance. It helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother and more vibrant. Enjoy a radiant complexion with every application. With broad-spectrum SPF 40, it effectively shields your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This essential protection prevents sunburn and long-term skin damage. The subtle tint provides a natural-looking coverage that evens out skin tone. It's perfect for everyday wear, giving you a healthy glow without looking heavy. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients, it's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Experience effective sun protection that also nourishes your skin. Make it a part of your daily routine for healthy, protected, and beautifully restored skin. It's the perfect addition to your skincare regimen. What we like. This tinted option offers light coverage to even out skin tone while protecting it. It's formulated with ingredients aimed at restoring the skin's barrier. If you prefer a mineral sunscreen with a natural tint that also nourishes your skin, this is a great pick. What people say. The best sunscreen I've found that isn't chemical. It's mineral, but it doesn't leave a nasty white cast. I even use it on my body as well. It moisturizes the skin, but never causes acne at all. It's comfortable and it wears for a while. Protects great. Evens the skin tone out. Wonderful sun protection. I wore this to the beach on my vacation to La Paz. I was out there for hours in a blazing sun, and I didn't burn. Number 2. Elta Md UV Sheer SPF 50+ Face Sunscreen. Introducing Elta Md UV Sheer, your ultimate daily sun defense. This lightweight formula offers powerful SPF 50+ protection without any white cast. Experience invisible protection with our advanced zinc oxide formula. It effectively shields your face and body from harmful UV rays. Enjoy a comfortable, non-greasy feel all day long. Its sheer texture blends seamlessly into your skin, making it perfect for everyday use. With broad-spectrum SPF 50+, it provides comprehensive protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Keep your skin safe and healthy. This versatile sunscreen is suitable for both your face and body. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for complete sun protection. Say goodbye to chalky residue. Our formula is designed to leave no white cast, ensuring a natural finish on all skin tones. What we like. Enjoy broad-spectrum SPF 50+ protection without any chalky white cast. Its sheer formula blends effortlessly into all skin tones. If you're seeking a reliable, sheer mineral sunscreen that disappears on the skin for both face and body, this is your go-to. What people say. Spreads very easily and quickly. Not drying. The white disappears immediately and never cakes up in my wrinkles. It's nice to have a waterproof sunscreen that is still not drying on my face. It's lightweight and feels like it moisturizes, so I use this instead of a moisturizer each morning, but it doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. It does have a little bit of a white cast to it, but that fades quickly and doesn't change the appearance of my foundation at all. And no, it doesn't make my foundation pill. Initially dewy but dries matte. A sunscreen that will not make you feel oily. Very clean matte finish. No fragrance. Easy to apply. Grips skin but feels lightweight. I feel very adequately protected from the sun. High UVA protection with high zinc oxide. Water resistant. No eye sting. Number 1. Elta Md UV Physical Tinted Sunscreen. Introducing Elta Md UV Physical Tinted Sunscreen, your go-to for daily sun protection. This 100% mineral formula offers broad-spectrum defense. It's formulated with active mineral ingredients, providing a gentle yet effective barrier against harmful UV rays. Perfect for sensitive skin. This sunscreen features a universal tint that blends seamlessly with your skin tone. It offers a natural-looking finish without any white cast. Enjoy comprehensive protection against both UVA and UVB rays. It helps prevent sunburn and premature aging. Its lightweight texture feels comfortable on the skin all day long. You'll barely know it's there. Incorporate it into your daily routine for reliable sun defense. It's the perfect addition to any skincare regimen. What we like. This sunscreen is a 100% mineral option, ideal for sensitive skin. The tinted formula provides a natural-looking coverage. If you prioritize mineral-only active ingredients and a gentle, tinted finish for your face, this product is a fantastic choice. What people say. It has remained a staple in my skin protection regimen. I have albinism, dry skin due to seborrheic dermatitis and in general very sensitive skin. It can cause increased dryness, which is why I ventured elsewhere for a bit but ended coming back to it because nothing else compared to the sweat water resistance, the ease of application, the pigment and honestly, the coverage. Like others have stated, it does seem to cover blemishes very well. This is my go-to makeup and sunscreen all in one. The tint is just right for my fair skin and it does not leave my face greasy or streaky. I've used nothing but this brand for several years now. As a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide, it's gentle on my sensitive skin and provides fantastic protection. It leaves a natural, slightly matte finish. The single tint works miraculously for light to medium skin tones, but won't suit everyone. An exceptional physical sunscreen. Elegant, effective, and great for daily wear. Highly recommend if you're looking for sun protection that also perfects your complexion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.